Hey, here I am again, LBLLC. I'm checking in with you guys. I'm at a golf tournament and I wanted to give a few minutes just to give you some highlights of what's going on. So, the Trump accounts started being funded on the 4th of July this year. So, if you've had any children that were born between 2025 and now, it goes to 2028, you can actually max out that fund $5,000 a year. Can't touch the money for 18 years, and it's going to be in index funds. There's another opportunity for you to save money that First Lady came up with called future accounts. That's on a state level, and that's for foster children. So they too can have a fund for their education that goes to their 18. You can't touch the funds, and it also will be funded, but on a state level. So you'd have to check your applicable state, because I think only 23 states are doing that right now. This is also a good time for companies to make sure they're maxing out their deductions, analyzing their financial statements, making sure they categorize their expenses correctly, and see where your projections are, where you fall, and analyze your spending to see whether you need to adjust any areas. Also, estimated tax payments. We just passed the last one, June 3rd, 5th, excuse me, June 15th. You got September 15th and you got January 15th. This is the problem with the recording outside. You got to deal with insects. This is their world, right? So you still have an opportunity to do estimated tax payments. Another thing for S corporations, you might want to analyze the salary. Make sure your salary is applicable, it's reasonable for the income you've had coming in this year. You may have made more the money so far halfway through the year or made less. You might want to adjust that, because now that QBI has come into play, that's going to affect your deduction. So make sure you're looking at that very carefully, and make sure you're funding your retirement accounts. So some businesses are slow to do that. Make sure you're setting enough money aside to fund that for the employees, and of course that your payroll taxes are up to date. So that's all I want to say right now. I hope you're enjoying these holiday festivities that have already occurred and maybe still basking in the afterglow. But either way, have a wonderful day and make sure that you maximize your profits. Hopefully, I'll talk to you soon. You can like and subscribe on my page, www.lbllc.net. This website is my website address. Lawanda underscore your CPA is my YouTube address. And you can find me on all the things, Lawanda Benefield, social media. Have a blessed day. Talk to you later. Thanks.